Hi ladies, Christine back here to share with you a tip. We just found out that we are going to be getting to have an old Flexia of the month, although it's technically U-pins, that are available. And I just wanted to show you, they are the only U-pins we've ever had that have a dangle. A lot of our Flexies have dangles, but this is the only U-pin that's had a dangle. And you can see we've got other butterflies, but this is called Felicite. And it will be available on June 1st for a limited time and while supplies last. So it comes, it's a set of two. This one's a little smaller. I guess these are about the same size. But look really cute in a twist or a ponytail. But I wanted to explain that there is a trick to these. If you are right-handed, it's going to be trickier for you. If you're left-handed, you're golden. You won't have any trouble at all. But because of the side that the dangle's on, I just want to show you a couple tips. And some of you righties might want to practice getting in left-handed if you want your traditional twist. Yes, they are U-pins. There you can see them, because I'll hold them. So they're the traditional U-pins, but just with the dangle. So if you're left-handed, you should be able to do it the normal way, but if you're right-handed, you might want to try and practice with your left. I'm not very good with my left hand, but I am going to show you two ways you can wear it right-handed, no problem, and then the rest you might just kind of have to flip around, and I'll show you, I'll give you an example, but it's tougher and it's not as neat as my maybe a traditional twist might be. So to start, I'm going to do a regular bun, and so that you position the larger butterfly with the dangle on the, what would be your right hand side of your bun. Okay, so there's the bun. Make sure I'm in my spot there. So see the dangle? I'm going to catch the edge of that bun, and you don't want it too far in or it's going to catch and it won't actually dangle for you. So you see that? Like that, and then I'll put, you can put the other one close to it or you can put it on the other side, kind of toward the top. So very cute. I love the dangle. The other way that you can use it and still have the dangle, otherwise if you put it in, you're just going to lose the effect if you put it in the traditional way. The other way is a ponytail, which works really great, and I love it for that one. So again, you're going to take part of that hair out from underneath, wrap it tightly around your hair. Mine's a little frizzier than normal today. Okay, so you're going to take that dangle on that right side again to have it work. And then it's going to be like that. Then I'll position the other one, just a little bit of that, grab a hold of it. So you can see the dangle still is free to dangle. Okay, now the rest of them, the traditional twists and the buns, you will need to try left-handed. So I'm going to give it a shot. I tried earlier. It was terrible, but my hair was uncombed and a mess too. So I'm gonna try. Let's see, that's the right way. So, oh boy, see, I'm already messed up. Okay, and then I'm going to twist it around like I normally do. Okay. Yep, feels weird doing it left-handed. So I would probably put the little one toward the top to hold it, and then this one, oh yeah, I can already tell it's messier, but so that it dangles. It's still gonna dangle on the side towards your head, so it won't, but that's also good because then it's not rattling around and to annoy you. So these, yes, Lisa, they're back by popular demand. We love them. They're the, like I said, they're the only U-pins we've had that have any type of a dangle to it. So we were like, is that a U-pin? When it first came out, we're so excited. So we're glad that they're bringing them back, and you will have a limited time to get those. Talk to your stylist that invited you here for an opportunity to try those. So if you're a righty, you might want to try lefty. If you're a lefty and you don't do U-pins, this is your thing. And you can incorporate most of the same styles that you would. I tried the messy up knot to try it with just the one, which is kind of my go-to style, and it was a little bit too messy. So I'll have to work on that one with, and it's called Felicite. And in the past it came in gold and silver. I'm not sure if they're going to offer it in both, but I believe so, maybe. So Felicite, but check it out and check with your stylist. to see it when it comes out. Hope this was helpful, and we will talk to you guys later. Bye.